How's it guys, welcome to today's video. I've got the Mazda 6 here. It's in for new headlight bulbs. As you can see, this one is blown out. So we have fitted an LED to the left, and to the right we still have the xenon. So you can see the LED is a bit more whiter and crispier, which gives it that nice OEM plus look compared to the xenon. The HID is giving an off blue type of a vibe. So at this point I have changed all of the bulbs and we have LED throughout. With the brights, as you can see, that contrasting halogen with the LED. So as I was looking around, I noticed there's a rubber seal missing on the dipstick, which is causing some oil leaks all over the valve cover area. So I thought, let me sort that out. And as we can see by the oil cap, there's also oil residue, which shows that the seal on the oil cap as well has run out. So we will be getting a replacement for that and changing it out to sort that problem out once and for all. So I just decided to give the throttle body a good clean. So obviously the airbox and air filter are out of the way. Now I'm taking the throttle body out of the car, and as you can see, there's our airbox down there. Now we have to get in there. Okay, so now I have the throttle body out. As you can see at the back side, it's very gunked up and it's well deserving of a good clean. Okay, so now everything's all good and clean and nice and prepped and ready to go back in. Looks very good, I'm happy. The Mazda should definitely be happy after this. It's definitely worth doing this. I mean, you could see all the dirt that was there is off. It's nice and sparkly clean. Okay, so now it's back. So as you can see, that looks really good. So for now I'm just gonna put everything back in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Later guys.
You'll be doing it right. Everybody will be dancing or just feeling alright. Everybody will be doing it right. Everybody will be dancing and be feeling it right. Everybody will be dancing and be doing it right. Everybody will be dancing or just feeling alright.